Yeah, we have a leak coming here on this 2005 Ford Taurus. We're going to take off the brake hose here. I noticed it was leaking down by the caliper from the rear. So we're going to replace this brake hose. Looks like it disconnects here from the brake line. And this is a whole bracket that comes with it. This is one whole piece. And it detaches here also. The clamp. We're actually replacing the brake hose on this 2005 Ford Taurus. On the driver's side, it seems to be bad and leaking. See the spill on the ground from the brake fluid. The rest of the two, replacing the bridge caliper on this 2005 Ford Taurus. Seems like you have a bad brake hose and a bad piston here. Maybe worn or cracked, but wrench there. Just going to take this screw off of there. And this one down here, the screw on there is the rest of the two are going to be placing our bridge caliper here on this 2005 Ford Taurus, and our driver's side brake line. We have a leak. It seems to be coming from both. Now this has comes with a upper bracket and this bracket, this middle ways, and this needs to be connected from the brake line. Have a 13 number 13 here. Virtually two, we're going to be replacing our brake hose and our caliper here on this 2005 Ford Taurus. Seem to be leaking from the piston there and from the brake hose. Lining out there, like that. Number 13. Nope. Trying to record in the rain. There's another screw on the brake hose that needs to get loose. Had an extension with a number 10 millimeter socket. The screw right here holding on the bracket. It's raining now, so I'm trying to keep from getting stuff wet around here. Okay, we got that out. That in my pocket. There's another screw behind here. Should be the same. Let's see here. Just the same 10 millimeter socket to take that screw out behind this bracket. Okay, I got it out. That one there.
some more. Keep going. Keep going. Get the straight. Get back to straight. Go up some more. Go up. Go up. Yeah, like that. Go a little more. A little more. Come on, back to straight. What? Don't have my head when he riding this shit. Think we'll have a fish today, bro? I gotta take Ness again to work tomorrow for the last time.
It might run out of time.
Huh?
Might run out of time.
It ain't gonna work?